Hello, are you interested in a sustainable lifestyle? Well, I've got the perfect property for you. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho. And let me tell you some of the things that this property has going for it that you're gonna like. It's got an orchard. It has an incredible garden space. We have a creek that flows year-round right through the property. We have a spring that supplies the water. My neighbor here is the Forest Service and thousands of acres of Forest Service land. We're at the end of a private road. There's only one more house on this road. That is county maintained. There's a barn. There's a nice little tiny house on it. Plenty of storage. This is a great property. I think you're really going to like it. So come walk around with me. And if you do agree with me that you're interested in it, give me a call right away. I'd love to bring you up here and show you around. All right, so my seller here was a real true craftsman. He built almost everything here. And there's a ton of really cool, unique things that make this property great. I'll never be able to show you on the video. But if you like it, give me a call. We're gonna bring you up and show you around. So here we are in the living room. As you can see, there's a lot of items in here, but we've hired a local auction company. They're called GoBidToday.com, and they do internet-only auctions. They do a fantastic job. So if you have any interest in personal property, go check them out. Right here is the pantry. See, nice and big. There is an electric oven in there and room for the refrigerator. We're gonna walk into the small bedroom here. This is very much a cabin-style home. If you're into being a minimalist, then this would be a great place for you. This here would be more of the master bedroom. Has a big closet, plenty of room right there. You can see there's lots of furniture in there. I'm gonna turn the corner. Now we're gonna walk into the kitchen area. It's actually a pretty good sized kitchen. This is all on the grid, by the way. If you're wondering, I haven't mentioned that, but they are on the grid. Their water source is a spring, and then they also have water rights to the creek that they use for irrigation. All part of that sustainable lifestyle. Now we have a little office nook, I'm going to call it. Nice built-in bookcase there. Then it flows right into the bathroom. In the bathroom, the washer and dryer, and then we have a tub and shower. Now as we walk back into the living room, I want you to know we have a 3D tour on this. If you'd like, you can go to our website, ucidaholand.com, and you can walk through this at your own pace. I'm gonna walk through there. My wife's sitting on the porch. Going back in the living room. This is a split unit here. It's been put in there probably less than a year ago, and I've heard that there is still a factory warranty on it. 2 bedrooms isn't enough. We do have a loft, and it is currently set up with 1 bed. And then down here at this side, we have lots of storage and a great little picture window that goes out to that waterfall that I started the film at. But here we go. That's the house. We're going to go take you around and show you outside. Thought we'd start our outside adventure right here on the back porch. Right there's that waterfall. You can hear it. We have the pond. We're going to go up. We have a couple of storage buildings. There is power into both of them. And so if you need some extra storage, hobby areas, anything like that, we do have a couple of storage buildings here that are powered up and ready to go. Remember when I said my seller was a craftsman? He built this shed, and you can see it is very nice. Give you plenty of room to get out of the weather, store some things. He's got a little workshop right here. Again, all these items are selling at auction. Go to GoBidToday.com if you want to check them out. We have another shed here. If you have horses, there's plenty of room for horses up here. This is 10 acres. scroll through here. Again, the irrigation's coming from the creek water that they have water rights to. They have a really great system to capture that water. There's freezes faucets all over the property here. So, another shot of that building right there. And it is so beautiful and quiet out here. Here's the barn. You go up here, check out the other pond. Here's our other pond. Great for water storage. Make sure you always have that irrigation that you need.